The KS Bundle Builder snippet is by far the most complex and advanced Shopify snippet that we have developed so far. The way it works for those who are not familiar with this type of feature is through discount tiers. As you can see on our demo, we have made available 3 discount tiers, each tier with a different amount and a different discount. In other words, the more the customer adds to this bundle, the higher the discount they get. This is a win-to-win situation for both the customer and the store owner. We have seen this type of feature to get great success in many large Shopify stores, and they have seen a higher AOV in the purchase, an average order value. First, we are going to check the installation, and then we are going to check the configuration. As with our other Shopify snippets, the installation for the KS Bundle Builder snippet is very simple and straightforward. First, after we have downloaded the snippet, double click to unzip it, and then you'll see it has only one file. This snippet works only for the official down theme. It can work for other Shopify themes, but it needs code editing. It can't work as it works on the down theme. Okay, so we need to open the file on our preferred editor. As you can see, this file is very large. It contains around 1400 lines of code. As we have said before, this snippet is very complex and we are very proud about this snippet. Okay, so copy everything on this file, then go back to your Shopify admin, then from your online store go to themes, select the theme that we want to use. We are going to use the test theme, edit code, and then create a new section called KS Bundle Builder. Okay, and all you have to do is paste the contents of the file that you have just copied. Hit save button. There is one more thing we need to do. We need to create or use a collection. We need to create or use an existing collection. Let's create a new one. You can have here any name or description or image or collection type that you prefer. There is no problem about this. Let's use Bundle Builder. Let's add a sample description. Collection type manual, and hit save. Okay, then going back from your online store again to the theme that you want to use, edit code, and we have to create a new template that it need to be for the collection that we have just created. Okay, and let's call this template Bundle Builder. Okay, done. So what we have to do now is add this template to the collection that we have just added before, and hit the save button. That should be all for the installation. Now we're going to check the snippet configuration. Okay, let's configure the snippet now. From the Shopify admin, navigate to themes, then select the theme that we want to use. We have to go to the collection that we have just created along with the template. As you can see, this is just a normal Shopify collection with a title, description, and the products that you want to show. Okay, so all you have to do is add this section bundle builder. Okay, it is important to note, since this section is injected dynamically on the page, that we have to hit the save button in order for the changes to take effect. As you can see now, we have our bundle card on the right. It is better to check first on the front end so that you can see all the features this snippet has. Okay, so as you can see on the right, we have the bundle card, which is sticky as you scroll. Okay, and also let's quickly check the mobile version as well. Okay, as you can see now, the bundle card is on the top, but also for mobile we have a mini sticky bundle overview, which shows on the bottom. Okay, and also in order to view the bundle contents, the products that the user has added to the bundle, there is the bundle model. Here the customer can adjust the order quantity, remove the items from the bundle, and get a better overview of the bundle contents. Okay, so as you can see, this snippet is very powerful and very easy to use. Okay, so let's check again. Here is the initial screen that the user will get as soon as he or she opens the page. As you can see, the bundle contents now are empty. Okay, so let's add a product. As you can see, the scroll bar got updated, also the pricing here. The user has not reached yet the first tier, which is $100, so that he might get the 10% discount. Let's quickly add some more product, and you can see now we are soon to this tier, and as soon as we add another one, we see now that we are getting a 10% discount, and that's all. The pricing got updated. Okay, so now let's check the configuration. Okay, first we need to select, for the demo purpose, we need to select the card to be a drawer. Okay, but of course you may choose each of the options that you prefer. Okay, and so as you can see, first let's check the general settings. Okay, so first we have the settings for the bundle card, which is this one right here. You can choose a different scheme. For example, let's choose this nice blue color. As we have stated, we have to click the save button for the change to take effect, since the snippet is injected dynamically. Okay, as you can see now, we have a nice blue card. Let's put it back like it was. We have some more settings for it, like the border width. We can change the title here, the headings, the title size here. Okay, we have these two color settings here, the progress color not completed, the progress color when it gets completed. So for example, let's choose another color for the when it's not completed. As you can see now, it is a nice blue color. When it's completed means when the user reaches the end of the tires. Okay, for example, now we reached the the end. But of course the user can still add more products to the bundle, and but the discount, he will not get a better discount than the last one. Okay, so these settings here are for the dialog. When you click the view bundle contents, the dialog that we've seen before, we can change the title, we can change the title size, the dialog width, and the backdrop BG color. We have some more settings for the translation here, for the text that you can change. Okay, so now it is important to note that each of these tires here is headed here to the section as a section block. You can have as many tires as you prefer, but we recommend to keep it between 3 or 4 tires. Let's quickly add another one as an example. For example, for this last one, we can select here 400, and we should keep the same logic, and we put it here 40%. As you can see now, we have 4 tires. Of course, you can have 2, for example, if you prefer so, and the bundle will work perfectly as well. So for each of these tires that we have here, we must create the actual discount code in your Shopify admin, so the customer can get this discount here on their shopping cart. So we have 3 available tires, one for 10%, 20%, and 30%. So we must create these discount tires. Okay, let's create the discount for each of the tires from the Shopify admin. Go to discount. As you can see, we have already here the discounts created, but let's see how we can do those. Okay, so as we mentioned, we have to create 3 discounts because we have 3 tires on our bundle. So let's click the create discount. The important thing here is that we should create a discount based on the amount of the order. Okay, so the option right here, discount the total order amount. So it is important to note that we should click here the automatic discount, so it should apply automatically on the cart. Okay, bundle 10, title, it doesn't matter the title, something for you to keep track of. Okay, percentage value, should enter 10% because that's how we selected for the first tire. If for the second discount, it should be 20% and 30%. In other words, the discount here should match the discount tire that we have applied here. Okay, so for this goal, we have 200. On the first tire we have 100. Again, this should match on here, the minimum purchase requirement. The minimum purchase amount should be $100 for the first discount, 200 for the second one, and 300 for the last one. Okay, so for this case it would be 10% here, $100 here. Okay, this does not matter, and just hit the save button here. Okay, so let's check another time what we have here. Bundle 10, we have the title, this is an automatic discount based on the amount of order, 10%. Then availability does not matter here, minimum purchase amount $100. Let's quickly check the other one as well. Bundle 20, 20% off, minimum purchase amount $200. Okay, another thing which is important that I forgot to mention is If we go here, there is an option that said redirect to checkout, skip part. By default, this is unchecked. It means that after the customer has added the items on the bundle content, okay, if then they decide to finish the purchase, the next step for them is to add the whole products here to the cart. As you can see, they got added correctly, and as you can see here, the bundle 30 discount got automatically added. Okay, then the discount was applied as well. If we check this option here, redirect to checkout, skip part, hit the save button, and if we check, now we don't have here an add to cart button, but we have a checkout. So if the customer decide to complete the purchase, if we click here, the cart will not show anymore, but instead they will go directly on the checkout page. And that should be all for the KS Bundle Builder snippet. Thanks for watching.